আসসালামু আলাইকুম। আজকে আমি আপনাদের মাঝে একদম ডিফারেন্ট একটা কন্টেন্ট নিয়ে হাজির হয়েছি। আমি আমার আইএলটিএস এক্সামের পর কিছু আইএলটিএস স্টুডেন্টদের নিয়ে কাজ করি। তাদের মধ্যে থেকে একজনের আজকে স্পিকিং প্র্যাকটিস আমি আপনাদের সাথে শেয়ার করতে যাচ্ছি। চলুন শুরু করা যাক।
Where is your hometown?
My hometown name is Chatpur. It's located Chattogram division, and there are most popular three rivers: Podda, Meghna, and Dakatia, and there are many natural landscape here. There.
Do you often visit your hometown?
To be honest, I usually visit my hometown when my weekend day and vacation time, and I went go there with my family.
Did you enjoy your childhood?
Definitely, I remember when I was child, I enjoy my childhood, and I spent most of time I childhood friends, and I played many games such as cricket, football, and other activities.
What is your first memory of your childhood?
To be to be honest, and I remember when I was child, and I I admitted my primary school in nearby my home, and first day I went to my school, and I met my friend and teacher, and this moment is very memorable for me, and I never forgot this moment, and